There was a small cat named Lulo. Lulo lived in a red house with a big green garden. Every day, Lulo slept in a soft bed and looked at the sun through the window. He liked his house because it was quiet and calm. One day, when Lulo opened his eyes, he saw something different in the garden. There was a brown box near the door. The box was not there before. Lulo looked at the box and did not move. Lulo got down from the bed and walked slowly through the house. He went outside to the garden and looked at the box again. He moved closer, little by little. He wanted to know what was inside. When Lulo was near, the box moved a little. Lulo took a step back. Then the box moved again. Lulo sat down and waited in silence. Suddenly, the box made a small sound. Meow. Lulo opened his eyes wide and moved closer. With his paw, he touched the box and opened it a little. Inside the box, there was a small gray cat. It was smaller than Lulo and looked calm. The gray cat looked at Lulo and did not say anything. The gray cat came out of the box slowly. It walked on the grass. Lulo followed it. The two cats walked together in the garden and saw a yellow flower and a blue butterfly. Then they found a red ball on the ground. The gray cat touched the ball, and the ball rolled. Lulo ran after the ball, and the gray cat ran too. They played together in the garden. After playing a lot, the two cats were tired. They sat on the grass and looked at the sky. The sun was going down, and the sky was orange and beautiful. When night came, Lulo walked to the house, and the gray cat followed him. They went inside and got on the bed. They lay down together and closed their eyes. That night, Lulo did not sleep alone.